Ever since their creation in the 1950s, credit cards have either been a blessing or a curse. Credit cards offer a huge convenience but can also be confusing and dangerous. If you are at least 18 years old and have some form of income, you qualify to apply for a credit card. Before you do, you should familiarize yourself with some of the basics. Let's say you wanted to buy concert tickets. A credit card allows you to make purchases and then pay for them later. Each month, you will receive a statement for how much you spent. You then have a grace period, which is usually 1 month, to pay it all or only a portion of it. If you only pay a portion, however, you will gain interest. Your annual percentage rate, or APR, tells you how much interest you will be charged. APR is calculated on a yearly basis. However, since it is compounded daily, you can divide your APR by 365 days to find out how much extra you will pay over time. Imagine you bought those concert tickets for $100 and you wanted to pay it back over 6 months. If your APR was 18%, you would have to pay a total of $105.32, paying $17.55 each month. What if you wanted to make a bigger purchase? If your starting balance was $1,000, you would accumulate $53.15 of interest over 6 months. However, if you pay off your balance before the due date, you won't have to worry about your APR. Another fee you should look at is your annual fee. This fee is simply how much it costs per year to have the card. It typically ranges from $15 to $100. Don't be discouraged though, there are many cards with no annual fee. There can be many other fees, such as late fees, cash advance fees, and foreign transaction fees. It is important to familiarize yourself with these. Now, let's go over the perks. The most popular perk is a cashback reward. If you pay your bill on time, you will typically receive between 1% and 5% back per dollar. You can later redeem this for cash or a statement credit. Let's go back to those concert tickets. If you paid off all $100 before the due date and your reward status was 5%, then you would earn $5. Another popular reward is very similar but with points. These points may also be redeemed for statement credits, as well as gift cards, airline miles, merchandise, and more. While these are the 2 most popular perks, there may be others, such as discounts at select retailers, concierge services, price matching, roadside assistance, extended warranties, and way more. Now that you know the basics of credit cards, you can see the convenience and rewards they offer. However, spending more than you can afford can quickly become a nightmare and leave a lasting impact on your life, preventing you from financing cars, houses, getting insurance, or even a job. Be responsible and only spend what you can pay immediately. Happy spending!